What if I told you that you could learn the skills to become a cybersecurity professional from a gamified cyber range, all from your web browser? I'm sure that you've heard that there are millions of open cybersecurity jobs. This is true. I'm sure that you've also heard that you can make a lot of money working in cybersecurity. This is also true. And if you're anything like me, you know how difficult it can be to follow course after course, or read book after book, or try to find video after video. And let's not even talk about how expensive it can be to combine all of that to build your own home lab just to learn the skills that it takes to become a cybersecurity professional. It sounds overwhelming, right? And expensive. But it doesn't have to be like that anymore. Circadence has delivered with their gamified cybersecurity training platform called Project Ares. Their scenario-based training will teach you the real-world skills that it takes to become a cyber defense specialist, a threat analyst, a cyber analyst, or a system security analyst, just to name a few. The great thing about Project Ares is they actually introduce you to real-world skills and tools that you will use in the real world. You'll need to understand things like Snort, Wireshark, Splunk, Linux, networking, and a lot more that they actually show you how to use in this platform. They've designed their battle rooms with specific job roles in mind, and they keep developing more. And if you're looking to polish your existing skills or learn about new technologies, Project Ares also offers mini games like CyberVault, which can help you with decimal, binary, and hexadecimal conversions. They also have Solitaire, which is much like Solitaire. This teaches you the threat intelligence concepts within a kill chain framework. They also have PsyQual, which is a multiple choice quiz with over 700 plus questions and growing. This is going to help you familiarize yourself with security terms and other concepts. They also have other mini games like Regexile, which will teach you about regular expressions. Portflow, so it could teach you to understand how ports work and what different ports do. TACchain, for teaching you more in depth on the different phases within a kill chain. And Trivialoot, which is one of my favorites because it's just like Jeopardy. But seriously, don't just take my word for it. Project Ares is being used in universities like CU Boulder in Colorado, and even in the military to harden the skills of our armed forces. So whether you want to fly solo and learn by yourself, or you want to team up with your friends or your coworkers, Project Ares is one of the most enjoyable platforms that you can learn real-world cybersecurity skills to become a security professional. If you guys want to know more about Project Ares, make sure you guys check out a link in the description below. If you want to check out Project Ares for your team, for your school, or your business organization, make sure you reach out to Circadence directly and tell them that Zach from IT Career Questions sent you. And if you want to check out a real live demo really soon and you're going to be at RSA, make sure you let us know, because I will be there and we can go over a real live demo of Project Ares and talk about all the advantages that this platform can offer you. Again, check out the link in the description for more information, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, take it easy.